Dear students, let's study subset, universal set and complement of a set. In the previous lectures, I have told you about the types of sets, the way of methods of writing the sets. Now, today we are going to start with the subset. So, the first is subset. To explain this, if A and B are two sets, if A and B are two sets and suppose the B's elements, all elements from B set are present in A set, all elements of B set are present in set A, then you can say that the B is a subset of A. For this, I'll consider the example. A has the elements 1 to 6. B has elements of even numbers 2, 4, 6. So as per the definition of the subset, the B's elements means all elements from B are present in A, then B is called a subset of A. So it is denoted by the symbol this. So B is a subset of A. B is subset of A. Your condition, the all elements should be present in that set. Here I'll consider the C set 1, 3, 8. Here if you observe, the 1 is present in A, 3 is present in A, but 8 is not present in A. So here I can't say that C is a subset. Here C is not subset of A. So C is not subset of A. Next set, universal set. You can find the definition on page number 9. So what is a universal set? A bigger set which is accommodate all the given sets under consideration, which is in general is known as a universal set. For example, I'll take the small sets A 1, 2, 3. B I have taken 2, 4, 8. C I took it 3, 5. These all are the sets, small sets, and all these sets, if I'll take the one universal set U, universal set is denoted by U. It is a set of natural number up to n. So what is universal set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then you can see that all these sets are accommodated in this universal set. That means universal set is a bigger set, and all the subset you can get it from this set. So here this is called a universal set and it is denoted by capital U. So here I have written only 3 subsets, but you can get it few more. So I'll write the D set for example. So here 8, 9, 10. And all these sets A, B, C and D, their elements you can find out in set U. So here you can say that A is a subset of universal set, B is a subset of universal set, C is a subset of universal set and D is also subset of universal set. For the universal set, we are going to consider one more example. For example, if the strength of a class is 50 and among these I have chosen the students who likes the cricket, those are 20. So here I can say that these 20 I have selected from the bigger set of a strength of the class. So this strength of a class, that means 50, would be the universal set. This is an example of a universal set. Now we will go for the next set. To explain complement of a set, I will consider the universal set of 1 to 10 numbers. Now here I'll write the set A, which is even numbers from this, and it is a subset of universal set. So these are the elements of set A. Now what is the complement of a set? Complement of a set means here the set of elements which are not present in A, the set of elements which are not present in A but they are present in U. Means I have to find out some elements which are not present in A but they are in U. Means what? So here you can find out this set. So which numbers are not, which elements are not present in this? 1 is not present, 3 is not present, 4, 5, 7, 9. So these elements are not present in it, but they are from universal set. So these elements are of the set. That set is called a complement. Means this element, the set of elements which are not present in A but in U, then though that set is called a complement. So complement is denoted by complement is denoted by a complement, or you can write a raised to c in this way. So this is the way of writing the a complement. So a complement and a, if you observe it, so these are both are the subset of U. This a is a subset of universal set. A complement is also subset of universal set. So this is the definition of a complement set. We'll see one more example of a complement set. Universal set, I'll consider 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And here I'll consider B set of 12 and 13 and find B complement. What is the definition of a complement of a set? That the elements which are present, which are not present in B and which should be and present in U. So the set of those elements would, it is called B complement. So if I want to write the B complement, so B complement, I have to write the which are not elements which are not present in B. So which elements are not present in B? So here I can find 11 is not in B but it is in U. So same way 14 is not in B but in U. Here 15 is also not in set B but it is present in set U. So all these are not present in B but they are from U universal set. So it is called B complement. Students, I have explained you the universal set, complement of a set, subset. Now how to represent all these sets using the symbol, using the figures. If you represent all these sets using the figures, then it is called a Venn diagram. So let's study Venn diagrams. Venn diagram. If you represent the sets by using the closed figures, then it is called a Venn diagram. So you can use any shapes, any closed figure. Either you can use the square, circle, you can write the sets in this form also, but it should be closed figure. Now we'll see how to represent those using these figures. So here I'll consider the universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and A set 2, 4. So I want to represent this using Venn diagram. Venn diagram, any closed figure. So here I'll use the square. This is my universal set. Now in this universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 these numbers are there. In this A set is given. So here in this 8 set there is 2 and 4 elements. Now remaining elements would be here 1, 3, 5. You can write anyhow. So 1, 3, 5. So this is the representation of universal set and A set by using Venn diagram. In this you can find out 1, 5, 3 are not present in A, but they are element of U. So here A complement would be 1, 3, 5. Now one more example. If I consider the students of class 9, and in this some students like to play cricket. So using close figure, using Venn diagram, how can show this? Suppose this is the class 9th standard students. And in these you can find out some students who like to play cricket. So this is the representing the sets by using the Venn diagram. We'll see few more examples. Next example, I'll give you the Venn diagram, and while using this Venn diagram we will write the sets. Now here A set in these 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, it is universal set. So here you can write universal set. What is a universal set? 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. What is A set? A set would be 11 and 12. What is A complement? A complement means which are not in A set but in U. So A complement would be 13, 14 and 15. So here I have shown you the few examples related to Venn diagram. With the help of this you can solve the practice set 1.3. Students, if you watch this video and if you have any doubts related with this video, then you can share your doubts or your comments in the comment box. Thank you.